Hey everybody, this is Craig from Tenit here, and today I'm going to be showing a game using the new Death Knight Rogue deck, level 14, unranked. So let's see what we get.
Maiev versus
Paladin.
Luther.
Cool.
I will fight with honor.
None can escape my fury.
This is decent. These two is really, really... okay. Well, double preparation is not as nice, but these two is really nice.
But we fight.
Best opening ever.
Let's dance.
I'm a child.
That's cool. That's quite cool actually. Yeah.
Reporting for duty.
If he doesn't kill my minion, I might use that actually. Which I think he might do actually. So when we think about it. Ah, damn. Ah well. Oh well.
You want to buy a fun
This guy. I'll do the job. Okay, I got some cool shenanigans going later. Gadget sand, 2 preps, coin. That's pretty good.
Again?
Turn 6 is gonna be fun. Oh, okay, I got that now.
Justice is
I
mine.
won!
Oh.
Winter is here.
Ooh, is he gonna be the whole thing? Off the taunt, Divine Shield, and Lifesteal, and Wind Fury. Wow.
Justice
wow, that's so
is
strong.
mine.
Okay. That's just not fair. Well, that's so strong. Wow. Wow.
The light dims, but we
So he's
fight.
probably gonna go 2 to the face. Ah. Ah. Oh, or that. Okay. Okay, man, whatever. Good. I have to remove this thing. Phew. That's scary.
Reporting for duty.
Okay, give me more cards. My turn 6 play. That's alright. Okay, let's start doing things.
I got the best deals anywhere.
The truth is in here.
That's nice. That's nice. So much draw.
Let's dance.
Swiftly.
Oh, okay. That wasn't too bad in our mana, but ah well, that was pretty good. It's a lot of draw and a lot of advantage. And I get a draw in that dice. That's really good. Oh. Well, that's not nice. There's the coin.
Reporting for duty.
My hand is full.
Away. Okay. Apparently.
See now the power of the Dark Fallen.
He cards, that's fine. Okay.
A tango?
I like Prince Valinor. Lifesteal Taunt's nice.
Put your faith in the light.
Actually. That's nice. And this. That's cool.
Dinner is a tango.
Justice is
I'm not playing.
mine.
Hooray! That was nice. No, if you play turn 4 during again, if I can draw another sap, that'd be really nice.
Let me think.
I'll cut you down to size.
It's not great. Gets this thing.
Follow
Nice
the
buffet.
rules.
Oh, that's good.
Reporting for duty.
Let's give a Lear into play anyway.
You cannot escape the shadow of death.
A tango?
Silent death.
We're getting there. The loss of Arcane Giant was rough, but hopefully we'll draw the other one.
Must I slay you again?
No turn 4 during play. Okay. That's great. Let's get discovering. Ooh. I like it. Just add another card.
Put your faith in the
Wasn't
light.
expecting that, were you? There we go.
Let me think.
Put your faith in the light.
Yeah, that was always coming. Oh, that's really strong. Wow. Wish I had silence or sap that.
I got the
Okay.
best deals anywhere.
Like that.
Don't test me, child.
Must choose soon.
I'll do for now. That's so strong, that play he made there. Hopefully these two can get me through it. Have that secret in play. That could be really relevant. That could be relevant.
Let me think.
3 cards in hand he's got. Okay. If it's nothing too fancy, should be able to win this.
I must move quickly.
Oh wow, really? Really strong. Alright, my deck's in. We going back? Okay. Phew. Oh well, okay, that happened. Right. Ooh, sap. Okay. It's gonna come back, isn't it? Yeah. Right. Don't want that coming back.
I'm almost out of cards.
That's nice.
I'm out of cards.
Time to pay.
And I win! Hooray! I didn't disconnect! Hooray! There we go. All my games go right to the end. Oh boy. Well, thanks for joining me, everybody. That was Death Knight Rogue. Really hard. It's a tough deck, but it's really fun and it's so satisfying when you win. It's very tough though. Good pal deck like I was playing though. Thank you for joining me and goodbye.